With over 50 years of combined experience, Majestic Water Spouts offers fountain splash reduction products that can reduce your fountain's splashing by up to 95%. Fountains make landscapes inviting and peaceful, but splashing can often be an unforeseen issue. Enjoy the elegance and tranquility that a fountain can provide without the mess and less frequent refilling with a splash guard from Majestic Water Spouts. Our splash guards suit fountains with both water and rock-filled basins. Our 18 by 9-inch oval copper splash guard is made to work with fountain spillways and spouts from 2 to 24 inches in width. Manufactured in the USA, our expert craftsmen build each product from real copper and finish them to a brushed finish. Pre-applied copper patina finishes are available on all splash guards at an additional cost. Standard features include 1-inch standoff legs to distance splash guards off hard surfaces and heavy-duty copper mesh to not buckle under pressure. Our splash guards work through the dispersion of water's kinetic energy when falling and trapping splash between the water level and the splash guard top. With our splash guard installed, your pavers will no longer be soaked. These products are suitable for splash reduction for linear spillways that produce a sheet of water and broken waterfalls alike. We offer height-adjustable legs if you're installing in a water-filled basin to support the splash guard above the waterline. If our 18 by 9-inch oval copper splash guard is not the perfect size for your fountain, we offer many other standard sizes or can customize to your needs. Installation in rock-filled basins is as easy as moving rocks out from where the splash guard will sit and placing the splash guard in place. Installation in water-filled basins simply require placing the splash guard into the fountain basin under the waterfall. When installed, splash guards should be 1 inch above the water level of the basin. If smaller water spouts are placed near each other in a fountain, one splash guard or multiple are possible solutions. Stop your fountain from splashing for good with a splash guard from Majestic Water Spouts. Shop on our website, email, or call us today.